Hey everybody, how you doing? Dashin Dave here again. Please click that subscribe button and hit that like button. Thank you very much. All right, Monday, November 7th, 2022. Happy Monday. I know Mondays are usually a drag, but I didn't work the last 2 days, Saturday or Sunday. Just blew everything off. I hadn't had 2 consecutive days off since June when the starter went out in Speedwagon. Yeah, I had some slow days, you know, like when Egg had the flat tire and all that, but that was my first 2 consecutive full days off since June. Well deserved. Watched some racing, you know, it was the end of the year for NASCAR and all that. Watched a little football, got into my software editing program and made some templates and all that, like right along the clown of the week, and, you know, just made some templates, cleaned some of that stuff up. So it was still a productive weekend for me. Let's take a look at my numbers here real quick. 4.93, that has not changed for quite a while. Good to see that it's not going down. 74% acceptance rate, 96% completion rate, 98.03% on time or early, and 3,907 lifetime deliveries. A little bit of news. Got an email this weekend from Roadie that we're looking at here. Now, I've done some Roadie in the past. They were the delivery platform for Walmart in my market until Walmart bought Spark. And then for a while we still were, but then Spark came to this market and Roadie went away. Okay, so I'm assuming for the most part that this email was a blast out to every Roadie gig driver. And I'm assuming that apparently in some cases, in some markets, Roadie is still the delivery platform for Walmart. Now the question is why would that be the case if Walmart now owns Spark? So maybe this is legitimate in the aspect that Roadie is going to be helping Walmart, aka Spark, in deliveries over the holiday season. You can see here, I got to take a look at it. You can earn an average of 36 per XL gig. I'm an XL gig Roadie driver because of Speedwagon. Of course, we're in Egg today, but you know, Speedwagon is my vehicle for Roadie. And then it has some calendar events here. Tuesday, November 8th, Wednesday, November 8th, and so on and so forth. Tomorrow is Tuesday, November 8th. So we'll be out in Speedwagon tomorrow. I've got the Roadie app on today. It's already running in the background. We'll have it on tomorrow. We'll see what happens. All right. Well, the other thing is nothing too major, but I did get my Uber Eats shop and delivery card. We'll get that activated today and see what that brings. All right. So just got the text message. 6 hours after applying, I am now a Spark driver in Ames for Walmart. So that's cool. I was kind of anticipating we don't need you right now, but we will put you on the waiting list. So, all right, that's good. Whether Roadie is going to be in assistance with Spark, with Walmart for the holiday season, or it's just going to be Spark, not sure which way that's going to go, I'm in. This was that Uber Eats Panera run here that I teased you with. Wow, that's a tip. We like the people that get it, don't we? Wow, wow, wow. There was a lot of items there, you know. Well, of course, 4 of those 12 items were bottles of water. But anyway, yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. So I don't have Spark on yet. It's 10:12. We're about ready to hit the catering hour here. I've been refreshing Roadie all morning. Nothing come across, you know, so far. All right, and then we pick up this Doordash here. It's a floral arrangement and a slice of French chocolate silk pie. going to one single address. It's going out to the Sheeman building. That's where they usually have those dance competitions and those kind of things going on. Not sure what's going on. Probably somebody who works out there. It's their birthday. It said in the notes. So, but anyway, remember a while back when I said I broke my red card, that was going to take me out of the running for doing the floral deliveries here from Hy-Vee. And Jody, the manager of the floral department, told me that they, Hy-Vee or Doordash or whoever it was, got rid of the red card option for floral deliveries, and this absolutely confirms it, that this is not a red card order, it's just a pick up and go. It's already been paid for, done and done. All right, the floral arrangement and the slice of pie for Gabrielle's birthday. ISU women are playing basketball here. It's at 11 o'clock probably. It's about 10:40 right now, or 11:30. I don't know who they're playing. She wasn't clear either, but apparently every high school in the area or the Central State is coming here to watch the women play at Hilton Coliseum, the big venue. So I was able to get in. I see that they're blocking off streets and so on and so forth around Hilton Coliseum, but could be some Chick-fil-A orders or other things in an hour or two when the game is over, a couple hours when the game's over. That'll be about 1 o'clock maybe or so. So we'll see what happens here. All right. There it is. All right, accept, absolutely. 46 items, Firehouse subs, showing me $12.50. I'm betting that's going out to the vet med. It is. All right. Deliver to fish tank lobby. Can call me. Okay, I know where the fish tank lobby is. Is very interesting. Fish tank lobby. That's the one you can walk about a quarter mile or better. Okay, so let's take a look. Firehouse subs again. Only $372 this time. All right, so what kind of turned into an impromptu ride along. I wasn't anticipating doing this, but between that $24 Uber Eats Panera run this morning and $45 here on this Firehouse sub run out here to the Iowa State Vet Med College. Wow, good day. It was a slow start, man, but wow, we're already over 100 at 11:30. So we started at 8. 3.5 hours, we're at $30 an hour. Of course, that won't last, okay, you know, so, but yeah, good start. I mean, we're almost halfway through the day, I guess, but. Okay, so it's about 12:30. By the way, it was during that Firehouse subs cater run out to the Vet Med College that I got my first Uber Eats shop and deliver target, 20 items, a couple miles, paying $20, automatic decline because I was already on that Firehouse subs cater. But that's about what I've seen on DoorDash, is about $1 an item when it's a good one. Target's a little easier to navigate than Hy-Vee as far as what I've been in there. So we'll experiment with that some more. All right, so I'm out here in Ontario town, just delivered a Freddy's out here, but it's 12:20. We're gonna call this the height of lunch rush, and we're not too far away from that Mickey D's. I drove by there just about a half hour ago, and I failed to notice it when I drove by this time to see what the drive-through was like because their lobby's closed. Supposedly in another week or two it's supposed to be open. So anyway, I'm on pause. I'm going to get back into Campus Town where hopefully I'm not right on top of that McDonald's. And we're doing pretty good today. I've been playing, as you've probably seen in the rotation of the jobs, twice today I have accepted a job and then unassigned it. So I started the day at 96% completion rate. I'm down to 94% now, still at 74% acceptance rating. You know, it's the beginning of the month that my completion rate had stayed at 96 for some time, and I don't have a rolling 100 tally sheet on that. So the fact that it's been there at 96 for some time, since the beginning of the month, I believe, and this is the 7th today, that I anticipate one or two of those unassigns or incompletions, if you will, to roll off here shortly. So playing the game, keeping the acceptance rate up, using the completion rate unassigned to help balance the completion rate, you know, the accepts and the declines, and you know, so far that's working out fairly good. Okay, so I just got back over here to the Duff Zone. Actually started the Doordash app as I was cruising through Campus Town. Nothing hit. Pulled Grubhub up. Then I get this order. I'm just right here. So I'm here at Hy-Vee Center, which right next door is Village Inn. Get this one. It's to the person that I delivered the floral arrangement and the slice of French silk pie that I don't know if I mentioned it, they didn't have French silk ready. That ought to be a crime. So she chose triple berry. Now, apparently they have French silk pie. She wants 3 slices. Happy birthday. So, and as I was coming across town here, I was just going to mention that I saw some people walking. Not a lot of people, but a few people walking from that area. So it is 12:30. Assuming the game started around 11:30, we're about at the time for that to get out. Now, I probably ain't going to get a whole lot of orders for people in that area because, you know, the buses, there's just, you know, like literally 100 buses over there in the parking lot. And most of them will probably discharge out, get on the bus, and then start the hour-long trip or whatever home. And I imagine they had the full concessions set up for them, so they were, you know, having hot dogs and nachos and all that good stuff. So anyway, never heard about this one before. You know, it's kind of an interesting, you know, early in the week, Monday, game time, but it must be a special thing with the college, with the high schools coming in and watching the girls and all that. So anyway, we'll get Gabrielle's 3 slices of French silk pie.
I gotta have more cowbell.
And I know right where I'm going, and she's probably giggling right now saying, hey, Dave's bringing me my pie. Okay, so I get into Village Inn there and he sees me coming, and I've not really been very friendly with this Village Inn. He just won me over here. He hands me this bag with a full pie box in it, and I said, 3 slices in here? And he goes, no, it's the whole pie. And I said, really? And he goes, yeah. He goes, 3 slices would have been $16. And I think the whole pie, he said, was $14. So he was sending her the whole pie. I said, good man, good man. So I thought I was going to be able to surprise Gabrielle with that fact. But apparently he had told that to who ordered the order. She's not ordering it. A friend of hers is ordering it and having it delivered to her because it's her birthday. So anyway, I texted her and I said, hey, this is Dave. I delivered to you before. Meet you at the same place and all that. And she goes, ha, okay. Hey, it's supposed to be the whole pie. Just confirm that, please. And I texted her and I go, I thought I was going to be able to surprise you. But so I'm guessing he said to the person ordering it, I'm sending the whole pie because the whole pie is less than 3 slices. So that's stand-up move, and we'll think a little more highly of the guy running the Village Inn. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, that's what it was. I mentioned to the Gabrielle there. So I mentioned to Gabrielle there about what was going on, and I said he must have told the lady who was ordering it for it. And he goes, yeah. She goes, yeah, he did. And so anyway, yeah, that was a stand-up move. Can't justify selling 3 slices for more than the cost of a pie. Here's the pie. 5 minutes left of the game. The women are winning. The ISU women are winning. I didn't get the score from her. She was in a hurry. But you can see all the buses lined up there. Probably won't get a whole lot more orders for that event because, like I said, they're just going to discharge out, jump on the bus, and start that long, bouncy ride home. Studio Daveed jumping in here. The GoPro battery died. I got a text message earlier this morning from Carly and my buddy down there in Arizona. He had just gone to California, got his box truck. He's going to look into some of that gig work. Anyway, he sent me a screenshot, and it was that informational screen that you see when you open up the Dasher app, prompting you to get your acceptance rating above 50% to be in the accept more, earn more, higher tiers. And he goes, what is this, new? And he hadn't heard anything about this apparently. And apparently he had missed the reset email or something. He said he couldn't find it, but he's getting the prompt to get above 50. I said, what's your acceptance rating, Carlin? And he goes, 9. And I said, so if you haven't had the opportunity to reset it, and then so anyway, blah blah blah, I explained everything to him, directed him toward a couple of my videos. He hasn't been watching them. He's had other things on his mind and getting this box truck thing all set up. So anyway, yeah, it's getting rolled out every day, more and more markets. It's in the Tempe, Arizona area as of today, I guess, or probably maybe late last week. He's been out of town, like I said, going to California to get that box truck. But anyway, yeah, Tony, he's just pushing this baby hard. So real quickly here, you've been looking at them already. 6 hours, 14 jobs, $144.78. It was a darn good Monday. And those 2 jobs, the one on Uber Eats that paid $24, and then the Cater $45, that helped a lot. $24.13 an hour, 53 miles on Old Egg, and $2.73 a mile. All right, guys and gals, that's all I've got for you today. Hopefully you can take something from this video and put it to use for yourself. Thanks for coming along for the ride, and hope to see you next time.